welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 83 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. Well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below here guys, it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 83. If you would like to see the previous 82, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well guys, as we move on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cute. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. Here it talks about traditional shops. Here you have a picture of a miniature one, I should say, there. With even a little old woman behind the cashier. And here guys, it shows you how to make your own little corn on the cobs for your dollhouse. It tells you all of the supplies that you'll need. And then it walks you through how to do them down below. But it also teaches you how to put in the new windows which we got down here. I will show you the window in just a minute. And then after it shows you that, it walks you through how to make the corn, which I talked about before. Pages are a bit stuck together again. It's a common problem with this collection. And guys, don't worry. Once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will show you how to do each one of these projects and we will build them together. So guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about Paddington Station, which is a train station in London, which you can see there. it's really cool how they not only show you how to build the dollhouse, how to add miniatures, but it also gives you a bit of history as well. I'm always really happy about that. And yeah, Paddington Bear. I figured that that's where he got his name from, and that's what I was thinking about when I saw the name of the station. Very cool. But well guys, that's the end of that. Here in the back, we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection, as I said before, is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out our brand new doll window. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so like the other ones, this is just the next window for the front of the dollhouse. I'm pretty excited about this. I guess this means that we're nearing at least a bit toward the end of the collection, I imagine. But well, it's nice to have these front pieces. It'll be great to finally get a chance to put all this together. I'm pretty excited about that. And I just love all of the detail here, as I said before. And again, guys, this is a very durable plastic. It's very hard and firm. So there's really, I don't think, unless you really put pressure into breaking it, I don't think you could really break this by any chance. I mean, it's very firm. Here's the back. This part, of course, will go against the house, against the it's not quite wood. I call it Frankenwood because it's like a mixture of wood and cardboard. So it'll be nice to see this in the front. I'm kind of excited. I can't wait. But well guys, that's the end of that. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new window? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell that's right next to it. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Paraginer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.